Mailjet for email marketing honest review. Watch before using. In today's video, I'm diving into an honest review of Mailjet for email marketing. Mailjet is a cloud-based email marketing platform designed to help businesses create, send, and track email campaigns. With features like email automation, advanced segmentation, A/B testing, and detailed analytics, Mailjet aims to streamline your email marketing efforts. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, Mailjet offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop email editor that allows users to design visually appealing emails even if you have no design experience. This is ideal for small businesses, e-commerce platforms, and marketing teams looking for a straightforward tool without a steep learning curve. The platform also includes automation workflows, meaning you can set up drip campaigns to nurture leads or send triggered emails based on customer behavior. These workflows are highly customizable, which adds flexibility if you have more complex email strategies in mind. One of Mailjet's standout features is its segmentation capabilities. You can group your audience based on different criteria, such as engagement level, demographics, or purchase history. This enables hyper-targeted email campaigns that increase your chances of engagement. The A/B testing feature further enhances this by allowing you to test different subject lines, email designs, and send times to determine what works best for your audience. Mailjet also offers solid analytics, which is crucial for tracking your campaign's success. It provides detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, bounces, and more, helping you optimize your strategy over time. Another major plus is Mailjet's scalability. Whether you're just starting out or you're an enterprise-level business, the platform can grow with you, offering both affordable plans for smaller users and robust options for larger teams. However, it's not all perfect. While Mailjet's interface is clean and intuitive, some users report that the deliverability could be improved, especially for larger email volumes. The customer support, though responsive, sometimes lacks the in-depth guidance you might need for more advanced issues. In conclusion, Mailjet is a solid choice for businesses of any size looking for an affordable and easy-to-use email marketing platform. Its features, like segmentation, automation, and A/B testing, make it a strong contender in the space. However, it may not be the best fit if you're heavily focused on advanced deliverability and highly personalized customer support. Still, if you're looking for a reliable email marketing tool to get your campaigns off the ground with minimal effort, Mailjet is worth considering.